Did you know that kidney health is much more important at the age of 50 and above? If you do not pay attention to kidney health, you will face serious ailments. In this video, I will talk about 10 healthy foods that are good for your kidneys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video before starting the video. First of all, let's start with the symptoms that indicate whether there is a problem with your kidneys. The symptoms I will talk about in the video are the most common ones. However, you should remember that even if you see these symptoms, you should consult a specialist physician. The first sign of poor kidney health is a change in the frequency of urine production. This means a decrease or excessive increase in urine. In addition, a change in urine structure is another symptom. In this symptom, you can see that the urine is bloody, foamy, or bubbly. If you have poor kidney health, you will also develop edema and swelling in your body. Feeling extremely cold and tired are also signs of poor kidney health. Abnormal itching of the skin, shortness of breath, and loss of appetite are also common symptoms. People with poor kidney health experience nausea or vomiting. Dizziness and lack of concentration are also very common. Finally, pain on both sides of the body or in the back is also a common symptom. If you see one or more of these symptoms, you should remember that you should consult a specialist doctor. Well, if you ask which foods we should consume to protect kidney health, I can say that you should consume parsley first. Parsley is a food that contains plenty of vitamins and minerals. Especially vitamin C is the first place in parsley. If you think about your kidney health, you can consume plenty of parsley. But what you need to pay attention to here is that you consume parsley raw, not cooked in meals. Since parsley will also provide your body's water balance, you can consume it with lemon every morning at breakfast. You will see the benefits in a short time. At the age of 50 and above, another food you can consume for kidney health will be pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain plenty of iron and zinc. If you consume the right amount of pumpkin seeds, your kidney health will be positively affected. Thus, omega-3 will also enter your body. However, you should remember that you should consume unroasted, that is, raw pumpkin seeds. Third food you should consume is red apples. Unfortunately, many people do not know how great the effect of red apples, which we can easily reach almost every season, on kidney health. However, thanks to the abundant dietary fiber in the red apple content, it ensures that the kidneys continue to filter in a healthy way. Therefore, you can improve your kidney health by consuming plenty of red apples. The benefit of pumpkin, which many people do not like to consume, is very beneficial for the kidneys. Therefore, you need to take care to consume pumpkin. If you want to consume pumpkin, you should do this as fresh as possible. It is entirely in your hands to grate and make a salad or consume it in different ways. At the age of 50 and above, another food you can consume for kidney health will be nettle. If you like to consume herbal tea, the first tea you should consume should be nettle tea. Nettle tea, thanks to the beneficial substances it contains, it shows diuretic and edema removing effects. It will be useful to consume 1 cup of nettle tea a day for your kidneys to relax and continue to work in a healthy way. If you care about your kidney health, yogurt is another food you should consume. Yogurt will positively affect the health of your kidneys thanks to its vitamin D, calcium, and various probiotics. If you consume yogurt made in a natural way, your kidneys will work much healthier. It is useful to consume a bowl of yogurt as a snack 1 or 2 times a day to clean your kidney. Did you know that lemon juice, which has many benefits to the body when consumed, benefits the kidneys? Lemon juice eliminates the kidney stone problem thanks to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic properties. Especially natural lemon juice greatly reduces the risk of kidney stones. Do not forget that after squeezing the juice of half a lemon freshly, you can mix it with a little warm water or a little honey and consume it. Another nutrient that is good for kidney health is black cumin oil. There is a substance called thimaquinone in black cumin oil. This substance supports the healthy functioning of the kidneys. You can consume black cumin oil regularly during the day. Approximately 1 teaspoon of black cumin in the morning and evening will positively affect your kidney health. Onion, which is generally found in many dishes, actually has an important role for kidney health. You can easily use it instead of salt between your meals. Its high content of vitamin C, vitamin B, and manganese nourishes intestinal bacteria. Thus, the digestive system works in a healthy way. Therefore, it is necessary to give importance to onion consumption and take care to consume it during the day. The last thing I can say among the foods that are good for kidney health will be water. Unfortunately, we pay very little attention to water consumption during the day. However, low water consumption seriously shakes the health of the kidneys. Regular and sufficient water consumption ensures that the kidneys are cleansed and toxins in the body are removed. In addition, adequate water consumption also reduces the formation of kidney stones. What you need to pay attention to when it comes to water consumption is to consume neither too little nor too much. Under both conditions, your kidneys will be negatively affected. You can balance your water consumption by setting reminders for yourself during the day. We have mentioned 10 healthy foods that you should consume for your kidney health. You can add these foods to your meals in accordance with your own diet. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only, and if you experience any symptoms or discomfort, you should consult your doctor. Finally, I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.